healthy habits. Today we are going to be making banana snowmen. Banana snowmen are the perfect sweet treat. For this meal, all the ingredients we need are carrots, sliced bananas, sliced strawberries, pretzel sticks, raisins, 2 squares of chocolate, and some wooden skewers. Let's get started. First, we'll start by making the carrot noses. Let's cut a few slices of the carrot and then make them into tiny triangles. Now, let's slide our bananas and strawberries onto our skewers. With our snowman prepped, let's go ahead and add our pretzels for our arms. Finally, let's use the chocolate and toothpicks to draw our snowman's face. They look great, don't they? Banana snowmen are a perfect on-the-go sweet. Try them next time you're wanting a quick and healthy treat.